to make this vase, I'm going to do mine around 430 pages. It's totally up to you how wide you want it. So as you can see, I've already started the vase. It's really fun. It's very easy. And it's going to be beautiful once you put in the paper folder, the flowers that I'm going to teach you how to make. So the way you do this is you're going to go on the side of your book and measure. For me, I made this line at 8.5 centimeters, and I drew it all the way down. Then that's going to show you where to fold it to. Again, you can decide how wide you want it. I did 8.5 centimeters measuring from the binding, but that's totally up to you as long as they're all consistent. And then again, you can decide how tall you want your vase. For me, I measured, let's see, mine is 15 centimeters this way. Totally up to you. If you want a short, so these are 15 centimeters. Approximately, if you want to just go ahead and take, once you've cut it here, and if you want to just go ahead and make a triangle and use that measurement, that would be fine as well. So let me show you how we do this. So once you've made your measurement, again, whether you're using the square method or for me, I'm doing 8.5 centimeters down, you're going to go ahead and cut. Now you can decide if you want to use a razor or not. I'm just using scissors. Now, when you tear the pages like that, you're going to have a little bit of a messiness right here. At the end, you can take a razor and clean it up. Or if you have a really tall flower arrangement that you're going to use, it's just going to cover it anyways, so it really doesn't matter. And so all you do is you take the line, so this line right here, and you're going to fold it to that line and make a tip. So it's going to be, so do you see here that's not quite right? You want to get exactly to a tip. So just kind of get it until you have it exactly where you want it. Again, it's paper, so no big deal if you make it a little bit off. And you're just going to fold this triangle right here. So let me put something behind it just so you can see a little bit better exactly what it is. So this is to that pencil mark you made on the side of the book, and then this is just right to the tip. And you just repeat that. So let me show you again. So the line's right there. So one end goes to that line, and then the other one goes right to the tip, like so. If you find it easier, you could go ahead and take a straight edge to the one corner, to your pencil mark. And if you want to use that to fold, that's another method as well. So I'll show you that again. So if you want to use the straight edge, again, you don't have to, but if you want to, it goes right to the corner, then right to your pencil mark. Make a little fold, and there you go. There to the pencil mark, give it a little fold, and that's a little bit off, but that's okay. So I want to keep on doing that. But as you can see, it starts to come together very, very quickly. But again, please stay tuned to the end of the video because I do want to show you how to make these beautiful, beautiful roses. Once you're done folding the entire book, the real fun really begins because then you can decorate with the flowers any way you want. I'm putting links on here for different flower ideas and videos that I've created. So right here is where you're going to put your flowers. So I created these beautiful flowers right here out of old maps. So check out the link for that, for these flowers. real pretty. I'm going to put those right in the front, like so. And again, I'm going to go ahead and glue them in once I'm done fiddling with them. Then I have in the middle, I'm going to put this type of flower. Again, there's another link for these. So I'm going to put those right here. I think those are really nice and springy with the yellow middles. Love those. And I think they look really nice with the maps. Like so. And then just fiddle with it before you go ahead and glue them down. And then I have the same roses I made in the front out of maps. I went ahead and made them larger out of pages from the book. And I'm going to put those in the back since they're so much larger. So I'm going to fiddle with that some more. If you want to add some greenery, you could add some greenery as well. That's totally up to you. But just fiddle with this as much as you want. And then I'm also going to, right here, I haven't glued these down, so I want to be real careful. Right here, I'm going to glue a piece of ribbon or some beads just to give it a little extra oof. So please check out all the tutorials for these flowers on my YouTube page, because there's just so many different options. And then if you want to use fake flowers, silk flowers, that's fine too. If you want to go outside and maybe pick up some acorns and pine cones, you can go that way. So many different options. Please comment below on how you decide to decorate yours. Happy folding.